Hey everybody, Howard Partridge coming to you, and I want to thank you for your interest in my book, The Power of Community. And I want to share with you what this book is really all about. First of all, this is my 7th published book. I've written a lot of books, but this is the first book of this stature, number one. This is the first book that I've had published by a major publisher. It's published by McGraw-Hill. And it's certainly the only book that I've done that has been endorsed by Dave Ramsey, and the foreword is by Brian Tracy, and there are just so many different PhDs and some of the top minds in the world when it comes to business and training, and real business owners just like you and just like me who have gotten behind this book. And this book is really about 3 things. Number one, it's about how we're living in our culture today. Every human being has a longing for belonging. We all want to feel loved. We all want to be validated. We all want to feel like our lives matter. And we all want to feel important. We're more connected digitally than ever before, but we're more disconnected personally than ever before. We need community. The fact is that it's a wonderful thing that this video can go all over the internet. It's a wonderful thing that we can connect digitally, but a virtual community is an oxymoron. True community, genuine community requires the human touch. People are starving for real relationships. So the first thing that this book is about is to reconnect us in our society so that we don't get too far off the track in the digital revolution. Number 2, it's about the engagement issues that we have with American workers today. Did you know that 70% of American workers are disengaged? 18% are actively disengaged, which means that they're working against the success of your company, if that happens to be your company. Maybe you're one of those people who is disengaged. So it's about adding meaning to work. It's about helping people to re-engage by creating a simple path to a sense of belonging. And I show you how in this book. There's 3 keys, 6 steps, exactly how you can do it. And then finally, the most important thing this book is it's about leadership. It's a leadership book. How phenomenal leaders inspire their teams, wow their customers, and make bigger profits. See, I learned from my good friend John Maxwell that everything rises and falls on leadership, doesn't it? And here's the question. If you inspire your team, if they're engaged, if they just can't wait to get to work every day, and you develop them, and they have the gifts, and they have the talents, and they have the skills, and they wow your customers off the charts, you're probably going to make bigger profits, aren't you? Absolutely. This is the book to re-engage your team. It's the book to become the leader that you've always wanted to be. So get your copy today.